Alian.
Yeah.
So, wow, you're professional,
Yeah.
huh? Thank you very much.
You welcome.
Thank you.
You welcome.
Very special angel.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
I cannot find one anymore.
And Sandra and the Becho,
Huh?
it's everything is good for paint everything.
Yeah. You do this all the time, huh?
Yeah.
Over there at the Silvestri.
Yeah, Sylvester, Sandra and Becho.
Sandra is very nice person.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm hoping will be restored.
Yeah, I know.
Will be, you know,
Yeah.
the same. It's, where are you from?
What?
Where are you from? Are you from Mexico or?
Mexico, yeah.
Mexico?
Mexico.
Oh, yeah.
Mexicali.
Mexicali. No, I'm primo.
Yeah.
You're my primo.
Yeah. Primo. Ah, primo.
No, my friend. Ismael. Remember Ismael? Last few days ago, last week. Ismael. My friend. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ismael and Jesus.
Jesus.
And you're the one in the company. What's his name?
Tony.
Tony. Yeah. You need the gloves?
Oops.
Gloves? No. You
No.
don't need the gloves? You use better to use a hand, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. It's good you speak English.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go there and buy something. At a lot of. I hope they're busy. Are they busy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You know, one store closed over there in Brisbane.
It's close?
Close, yeah. I forgot the name. And it's only Sandra store.
Yeah, it's today's close. Yeah, it's closing. Factory.
Oh, are they closing?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's closed. Only the showroom is open.
Oh,
The factory is closed.
Sandra's factory? Closing? No.
No.
Oh, okay.
And
Other people, other
Yeah.
store. Oh, yeah. But Sandra is still very strong.
yeah.
Mm. How long do you live? How long do you work with Sandra?
Me work in Sandra.
Work.
And 31 year.
Really?
Yeah, working in Sandra.
No, with Sandra?
Yeah. In the factory.
In the factory?
Yeah, factory.
Oh,
31 years.
31 years.
21.
21.
Yeah.
21 years.
Yeah.
My, that's a long, you know,
Yeah.
that's good. You sold a lot of, do you make a statue also?
Yeah.
You make a, okay, you know, yeah, that's good. You know how to blend, you know how to, yeah, that's good. This one is San Pablo
San Pablo.
Garden.
Yeah.
The my garden, St. Paul Garden, San Pablo.
San Paulo.
Yeah, San Paulo.
Yeah, I know.
You know, are you Catholico?
Yeah, Católico.
Oh, that's good. And that angel is a Catholico.
Yeah.
Very special. This place is very special.
Yeah, I know.
You know the street, Visitacion, and what is the street? Cross Street.
Yeah.
What's cross is Ray. You know what's Ray?
Yeah.
What's the meaning of Ray? The meaning.
Street.
You know, yeah, Visitacion and Ray. My house is corner Visitacion and Ray.
And Ray.
Yeah.
Where's your house?
Do you know the meaning?
Yeah.
The meaning? You know what's Ray Street? Ray meaning?
I don't know the Gray Street.
No, I mean, this is Ray. Ray.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Ray. So, the, how do you, in Spanish, the meaning of Ray, you know Cristo Rey?
Cristo Rey, yeah.
Okay, Ray Street.
Right.
This is Cristo.
Cristo Rey, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
and then Visitacion.
Yeah.
Remember Elizabeth?
Elizabeth.
Saint Elizabeth. Mary.
Mary.
Maria.
Maria.
Yeah, so Maria Visitacion.
Maria.
Yeah, visit Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
Yeah, when Elizabeth pregnant with John the Baptist.
Oh.
What's his name in Spanish? San Juan. Yeah, San Juan.
San Juan.
John the Baptist.
Uh-huh. San Juan.
Is that San Juan? I think.
San Juan. It's cold.
Yeah. No, I'm planning
Yeah,
to take a
it's
shower.
everything concrete. The
Oh,
columna.
perfecto, man.
Yeah.
Perfecto. Perfecto.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This is your name again?
Adrian.
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 That
Oh,
is
yeah.
yeah.
Oh, you clean everything here.
Yeah, they clean
yeah,
everything. Yeah. You know, that's special. Yeah. That's very strong, huh?
Yeah.
I will put the tolda, the turf, to put it on the top.
I know.
There's an altar there. There's a misa here sometimes. Yeah. So that's the table, where the priest.
And I bet you the I hear
Huh?
one. What happened? Ego. For he is good. One ego.
Here you go.
Uh-huh.
No, the over there.
Oh yeah, I know.
Over there.
Yeah.
Over there, because it's the
I know, yeah.
the tolda.
Yeah, yeah.
The tolda, and you know, it might be probably one more over there at
Yeah.
the end. You know, the heart, the corazon, the heart,
Yeah.
the corazon,
Yeah.
Archangel siete.
Your kid is good paint. And same color.
Is it?
This no good.
No good? Oh,
To clean the
no, it's
cement. Cement, yeah.
I need to that needs to be clean, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, it's no good. You know, someone did it and not professional.
No, bro.
Not professional.
No.
You know, if
You know, they clean everything.
but you know, if you can, sometimes if I saw something, if I have a problema, I will call you, Adrian.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, give me your telepono, huh?
Yeah.
Give me your telepono, because
Yeah.
I do not know anyone. I need help. I'm blind.
Me paint for everything this on this bench.
Yeah,
Need paint and new
new one. Oh, okay.
One more paint, yes, new
Oh, okay. And
and different color.
yeah, there's angel there, two angels.
Yeah.
I need. Looks. I want to paint it.
Yeah.
The two angels.
Yeah.
I want that to be painted also.
Yeah.
You know, it's,
Me paint for this color and this color.
can you paint it?
Me paint.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How much you gonna charge me to paint? You know those.
You 100 for paint everything. This one
Okay.
and this color.
That color.
Custom color.
Okay. Okay. And when do you want to paint? When is your off day? You're off today, huh?
Next week, I don't know.
Okay. Next week or week after, just call me.
Yeah.
I will give you my telephone, so you get part time here. Here, you keep that.
Okay.
You know. So you paint that one,
Yeah.
and that's very nice. I do exorcismo.
Exorcismo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I do exorcismo.
You?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's on the YouTube.
Oh.
Exorcismo upstairs. You know, a lot of crazy people. Bruja.
Roja.
A lot of bruja in San Francisco. You know, San Bruno
San Bruno.
and Hayward, Hercules, San Pablo, Oakland, some bruja.
Roja.
Yeah,
Exorcismo.
yeah. I do. You know, I'm a special person. You know, instrumento.
These two paint.
Yeah, I paint it.
Yesterday, borrego.
Oh, okay. Is that the yeah, I got that one.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. And I bought that, you know, the other store in Brisbane.
Brisbane.
Remember?
Yeah.
The other store? Closed already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still ring.
That's still wet, huh? Still wet. But so you will do the painting on the angel anytime.
Yeah.
You call me, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Adrian,
Yeah.
there's another pedestal over there, but I don't think I think it's wood. I think, but then you check.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, you check because we can restore it, make it good for outside. Can you do that?
It's okay.
You know, we put cement or cemento or
Yeah.
to make it strong because I think I do not know.
Let me look.
Oh yeah, okay. I'll let you look at it. And then it's another project,
Yeah.
okay?
Okay.
So this is very special. Angel.
It's nice.
Yeah, very nice. We don't have it over there in the Silvestri, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll leave you here, Adrian. Okay, I'll just come back. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And
no
then,
problem.
you know,
Okay.
let me know if you're finished.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
No problem.